Okay, we were so close to finishing this problem. I'm going to finish it right now. Do take notes on it. So we're going to do the first step, which is to graph the boundary line for the inequality. Use dashed lines for is less than or is greater than, and solid line for the is greater than or equal to or is less than or equal to. So this is a dashed line because you're not going to include the boundary line in your answer. Y is less than -3. Go down to -3. 1, 2, 3. You just draw your line through it. Okay. Now I made a mistake. Let's see if anyone can catch it. What did I do wrong? Well, it looks right. However, it should have been a jagged line, right? I should have done that from the get-go, but it's okay. And why should it be jagged? Because it's is less than. It's not is less than or equal to. So the line should be jagged. Now normally we'll just jag it from the beginning. We won't make the mistake, but just this time. Okay, and then we want to do a test point because that's the next step, right? This is step number 2. It says test a point that is not on the boundary line to determine whether it's a solution of the inequality. So let's think about this. What is a good point to use? What might you suggest? What test point would simplify the computation? What would make the math really easy? Well, we already said 0, and 0 does that. Okay, so let's go ahead and substitute them in. And we'll put a 0 for the y. And there is no x. So is this true or false? Is 0 less than -3? Actually, that's false. This 0, 0 is false. Because 0 is not less than -3. -3 is more to the left on the number line. Right? If you had a -3, -2, -1, 0, it'd be more to the left. So this is a false statement. So since it's false, this test point, you wouldn't shade in the side it's on, you would shade in the other side. Anyway, I hope that makes sense, and good luck.